Welcome everyone, I'm Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you're watching today. We are preparing for Easter and spending time with our families and gathering around the table for a meal. And so what I want to show you is a delicious side dish that's easy and quick. And what I really like about it is you can make it ahead and then bake it off the day of. And it is my garlic and Parmesan potato stacks. So I'm just so excited to show you how to make these. So stay with me and watch this whole video. And as always, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. I'm uploading new videos every Monday and Thursday. So let's get ready to do these potatoes. Okay, so I'm using my mandolin and I have my potato in here and I'm just making thin slices. But if you don't have one of these, that's fine. You can just take a knife and you make as thin a slice as you can. But I'm gonna finish these and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, and I have placed all my potatoes in a large bowl, and I used the Yukon Gold, by the way, and I left the skins on. And so then what I'm gonna do is add some heavy cream and some melted butter. So I'm gonna add both of those. And I have a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and thyme, dried thyme. I'm gonna add that. I'm just gonna mix this all around until all my seasonings get nice and distributed evenly between all the potatoes. So I'm just gonna give this a good mix. And then I'm going to add, I have grated some Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna add probably about a cup of this. This is probably about a cup. But look, you can put as much cheese. Whoop! Golly, meds, I'm making a mess. You can put as much cheese in there as you want, really. You really can't put too much cheese. So I'm just gonna continue to mix this and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I've got all my potatoes really good and mixed well. You do want to take a little bit of time to do that to make sure that all your potatoes are nice and coated. Then I've got a muffin tin that I've sprayed generously, and then all you're going to do is you're just going to just lay these potatoes in each muffin cup and just going to stack them in there. So I'm going to do these and I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I filled each muffin cup with the mixture, topped it, made sure there was Parmesan on top of each piece. And the nice thing about this recipe is now I'm going to put saran wrap on this. I'm going to put this in my refrigerator and then it can set until I'm ready to bake them. So they will bake at 350 degrees for an hour and then they'll be delicious. So I will show you what they look like. Okay, my potato stacks are done. So what I'm going to do is just take a knife and go around the side and a fork, and I'm just going to pop these out. And these are nice because they're just like individual servings and they're so good. And then I'm just going to place them onto a serving platter. So I'm going to do the rest of these and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, my garlic and Parmesan potato stacks are done, and I've just taken them out of the muffin tin and placed them on a platter. And this is really nice, that way people can just grab an individual portion, and it's perfect for your Easter meal. So I hope that you give this recipe a try. And as always, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and share these recipes with your friends and help me to grow my channel. I have had such a great time cooking for you today, and happy Easter.